How to change name on Walmart app. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to head over to your Play Store. This is if you have not installed your Walmart application in your mobile device. In the search bar, search for Walmart. Select on the application and tap on the install button. Wait until the application is installed in your device. Select on the Open button once it is installed. Now, firstly, sign in into your Walmart account with your credential. After you have successfully logged in into your Walmart app, you will see an interface like this. At the bottom, click on Account. Then, you'll be redirected to Manage your account. Select the first option, that is Personal Info. In here, you'll be able to change your name as well. At the side of your full name, click on the Edit button. Then, change your name according to your preference. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.